Alright, now just do one hearty laugh.
Long Beach Stash!
Thank you so much.
Guys, my name is Chef Carl, and I'm with Cook TV, and today we're going to be making some grilled cheese. So, yeah, that's some bread, some cheese right there. And what is that?
Carl,
What is it?
calm down. That's a knife.
We were making grilled cheese. What is this stuff?
You're gonna use that to cut the cheese, and then you're gonna cut the
I'm
bread
using
as
this
well.
to cut the cheese?
No, you're using the knife, Carl.
I'm using, which one's the knife?
The knife's the one that you threw when you got scared.
This is the knife?
Yeah.
Okay. And I use this, so first then we cut the bread into bread blocks.
They're called slices, Carl. They're called slices. Can you get the bread out of the bag first?
Yeah, okay.
There we go. You're doing great, buddy.
Oh shit, no, wrong thing. Sorry guys. So we got some bread. Cut! Why don't you cut?
Okay, Carl.
So we got some bread blocks right here.
Slices?
What?
They're called slices.
Breads.
They were in the note
Slice?
cards? Yeah.
Slit? I've only seen it written. How do you... Slice? Slice. We've got bread
Like-
blocks. Here. We might need some more.
Yeah.
So then you put the cheese into the pan and grill it.
Wait.
It
Carl,
may take a while, but it'll be worth it for you guys.
buddy, the plastic's still on the cheese?
Of course, of course. So first
There we
you
go.
take the plastic off. Take the plastic off of the cheese.
Okay, now you get the cheese and then you put it on the pan. You got that? The cheese on the pan? That's the knife. Okay, now that's the plastic. That's the pan. You're getting the oil down. Please. The cheese.
Oil.
The cheese,
Oil.
Carl. That's the bread. I just need you to get the cheese, please. Mother of God. Okay, that's the bread. Okay, now put that down. You see the thing next to the knife? That's the trash can. And that's the table. I mean okay, look at the table for a second.
Okay.
Do you see that white, yellowish thing on the table? Your hand was near it. That's a piece of cheese, Carl. Please. There we go, Carl. There we go. Just put it in the pan. For the love of God, please. Well, at least you put the
It's
cheese on
not
top of the
grilling.
bread.
Why isn't it grilling? This is the cheese.
And you want to put that inside the pan.
In the
There
pan.
we go. All right, now you just let it heat up.
And now we're gonna let it heat up. Where's the heat source? We can't heat this pan and grill the cheese without a heat source.
We forgot the oven, Carl.
We forgot the oven. How can we grill this?
Well,
I can do
I'm not
this.
sure. Oh, Carl, no, please.
What?
Carl, we don't need it. We don't need to take it out.
Do?
We don't
Do
please
it?
Don't.
We need to take it
We
out?
don't need to take it out, please. Wait, Carl, wait, no. Carl, don't. Look, we can figure out how to heat up the cheese somehow. You don't have to use it. No, Carl, please, I beg you, no. You're gonna mess up the table. You know how much I paid for that? No, Carl.
You've seen Slime Gal on the internet. Now you can get your very own Slime Gal. You can bring your Slime Gal anywhere. At the office. While you're working out. Yoga. It's a great security system. Kinda. Order now for 3 easy payments of $34.99 for your new favorite toy. The Slime Gal toy is non-refundable, non-transferable, and certainly does not possess the real Slime Gal. Any accusations and assumptions can be addressed to our customer service center at 777-254-1269.
And that's how you make grilled cheese with bread blocks. Thank you. So join us next week when we create meat cake.
It's called lasagna, Carl.
And I want to thank you, my audience.
Carl.